Talk about celebration of birthdays, celebrating marriage anniversaries. Why is it forbidden, or is it forbidden? Well, the Prophet ﷺ is the guide for us. If he did something, you should do it. When he saw other people having different kinds of celebrations, he said himself that we have two celebrations. This is from him. It's called Eidain, and this is what he said. So with respect to those who like to celebrate things and say we celebrate his birthday, we celebrate our birthday, we celebrate, Washington's birthday, all these different things, this is not what he told us. And when it comes to celebrating his birthday, he said specifically, do not eulogize me as the Christians eulogize my brother Jesus. Meaning, don't fall into the same trap. And usually when we find people who celebrate the birthday of the Prophet ﷺ, we find that they also have other innovations they like to add along with that too. And another, and another, and another, and another. And where will it stop? So, when will you stop? I mean, if you said, well, maybe it's okay. But the Prophet ﷺ warned us about the things which are in doubt. He said halal is clear, haram is clear, and then there's these doubts. Leave the doubtful. This is preservation of your own deen. And if you want to celebrate his birthday, at least I warned you, and on the Day of Judgment, I'm free from that. But I won't say that it's haram, because if I did that, that might be too far. But I tell you, it's not good.